I'm Nick Gouge from the Transmission Lines Division. So this project is to replace 60 defects on the Otahuhu Bombay line. It's right through central Auckland. So it's required quite a bit of planning between ourselves, NZTA, Auckland Regional Council, the local landowners, and obviously Transpower themselves. With this type of work, we've elected to use a helicopter because obviously we'd be going into people's backyards with large cranes and things like that, and this is the most time and cost efficient way and safest way, we believe, to actually deal with this.
Using a helicopter under slang with advanced flight, our subcontractor, and yep, I'm enjoying the work as it's a new experience and a new challenge in my career.
Guys love this work, they really thrive on it. It's pretty exciting work for them, and we appreciate what the guys do for us.